First of all, the moment I took my decision that I'll join the forces, so my father-in-law and mother-in-law both supported. And to be very precise, I'm actually blessed to have such very great in-laws and a very loving sister-in-law also. You say na, either your blessings or your parents' blessings, you get such good in-laws. So even after my husband left me, there was no the feeling also ki no, I'm alone. They always supported me, even they supported this decision also. And when I told them that I will be joining academy, both of them were happy. And my father-in-law then he shared that how my husband used to get trained, what he used to do. So now we are discussing the same things. And probably on 20th March I'll be reaching. Reporting is on 20th March, and for 1st of April the training starts. So it will be a 49 weeks training, a hardcore physical training, mental, physical, theoretical, everything. Just a tribute to him. And he always wanted to have a maroon beret. He always tried to, he did his para probation also, but due to age factor, then he was not selected. But then if I get a chance to join para forces, I know because combat is not allowed for ladies, but there is one section wherein if you do a para jump, you can earn a maroon beret, and that maroon beret, if I earn, that will be the biggest tribute to him actually. All the officers, they solved my each and every query. Then came the 1 month part. So I said, now I have to prepare hard, because this time I have to get recommended, and plus I have to top the merit because there was only one vacancy. I made a group of WhatsApp, and 12 of us studied together. So every day we used to prepare notes. Current affairs was the main addition because I don't know anything about the current affairs. कहाँ से पढ़ना है, क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं पता था. Fine, but the students like all were from between the age of 21 to 24. So everyone helped me with the notes. Okay, ma'am, do read from this article, do read from this. They used to share the notes, and I used to prepare the notes because obviously when you write on your own, you understand ki, okay, this is the thing. Then you memorize it. So I prepared well for my interview, and then even the psychology part, because there are a lot of stories. You have been shown a 4-second 30-second story picture, and you have to write a story on 4 minutes. So as to practice on that, what is my psychology exactly. Then even my unit officers helped me with the preparations and all. Dialogue from Om Shanti Om Shahrukh Khan ना कि like अगर आप कुछ चाहो तो आपको मिल जाता है, पूरी कायनात उसे मिलाने के लिए आपको मदद करती है. तो it was the same कि no, this time I have to do it, and with full positivity. I know I cracked it and I topped it, and I'm so proud that I'm joining the same academy where my husband was trained and he became an officer. And even we will be commissioned in the same month, March. My husband got commissioned on 17 March 2012. So probably I'll be commissioned same in March 2020. But the date, I'm not sure whether it is 14 March or 17 March.